Hello everybody, welcome back. Let's have a quick look at these charts, and I mean a very quick look. There really isn't much that we can say about them. They're so slow and sluggish and boring, and obviously in a downtrend, but that doesn't mean you can't get the dead cat bounce. We sort of saw a little bit of something like that yesterday. You might see a little bit more of that today. We've got a lot of financial stuff going on, so much going on today, so the chances of volatility based around these events very high, but the trend is still the main course. So what we'll be looking for will be any kind of move on Ethereum, Bitcoin, whatever, gets yourself into some kind of rejection by a death cross retest, right? So we've got death crosses on 4 hourly. We're looking at Ethereum to start with on the 4 hourly. First area is 2,735. Second area is 3,000 really. Well, I suppose 2,800. Then 3,000. Then obviously the top of the line, 3,100. That is all areas of rejection. We've got the main daily death cross that's kicked in at this point now. With the exponentials sitting at 3,100, so a mega resistance. Now, it's like I said, I've been saying that since Sunday, so not for too long really, that we are, I suppose, overdue a decent bounce. But these bounces, for the most part, would only be a death cross retest. So move up and to be rejected from that area and back down again. That's the most likely situation. So it does look like if we do move up, it could pop, it could be nice. You can see 20% on Ethereum. And unless we get above and close above 3,100 with a candle body in a convincing way, probably look for rejection to at least come back down to 2008, maybe 2006. That's kind of what it looks like at the moment. Now, just because that's the most likely setup doesn't mean that that's the that is definitely going to happen. So I talk about these setups in the morning because I look at these charts for myself, all right? And I just press record and talk out loud. I'm not saying this for you to do anything of your own. This is not an easy part of the market to trade. It's very frustrating. We could easily go down further. We could easily pop up higher. We could do any of it right now. This isn't a clear area at all. When you get death crosses, they do invite to be retested. So they do, like a magnet, draw price up into it to get retested. It doesn't have to happen the moment that it's been crossed. It doesn't have to happen at all. A lot of the time it happens soon after. And it wouldn't surprise me to see something like this, especially with all this stuff going on today, to see it move up into that area today. It wouldn't surprise me. It doesn't mean that it has to. But again, just like a magnet, and then just drop back down again, because it's a bearish setup, really. It's a bearish trend which is strengthening in its trend. And so you have to respect that. So remember that on any altcoin that you're looking at, because it's not all of everything. Bitcoin's not like that. Bitcoin's not doing that. It's far from a death cross. Far. So is XRP. It's far away from a death cross. Litecoin looking pretty good, to be fair, still far away from a death cross. So it's not all altcoins are created equal, but because the main altcoin being Ethereum does look this way, it doesn't bode well for any chart which is not bullish AF, really, which is the majority. This is what I've been saying for many months at this point now. Don't buy into weakness. Don't buy these stinking low-end cryptos. It would appear that you have to only really buy into strength, buy into strong trends. You can't buy into weakness. They're lottery tickets, really. And at the moment, they might as well be a lottery ticket, because they just want to keep going down. Nobody wants them. There's only a few out there that people seem to be attracted to, and those are the ones that you should focus on. Right, that is basically it. We are doing a live stream tonight. If you want to join the Patreon, I'll be there. There's links in the description below. Other than that, hope you have a nice day and take it easy.